Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Google is rolling out the June feature drop for your Pixel device. I've got my Pixel 8 Pro here. So we're going to jump right in, take a look at what we get. We've got quite a few features to go over. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about one of the new features that is coming with the June update, and that is Gemini Nano, which has been expanded to your Pixel 8 and Pixel 8a. The 8 Pro already had this enabled, and what you'll be able to do is you can actually go into the developer settings and enable this, update your AI core, and you'll now be able to use the Gemini Nano using your Pixel 8 or 8a. You can use the summarize feature using the recorder app, which was only available previously on the 8 Pro. We are also getting the display out option. So this is on the 8 Pro, the 8, and the 8a. So you can now plug in a USB-C cable to the bottom of the phone and mirror your display on a larger screen, such as a computer monitor. Another update that has come for the 8 and the 8a is the ability to manually switch your lenses, which was only available on the Pro series device. So now the 8 and the 8a can manually switch between those different lenses in the camera, which is a great feature. There is also some improvements coming to the Pixel Watch. Are now able to have the ability to access more features on the Google Wallet from your Pixel Watch. You also have the Google Home, which has been updated as well. And there is car crash detection, which is available on your Pixel Watches with the new update. Another update is the Google Home widget, which now is been updated and has the ability to show all devices in a single widget on your phone, so you can easily switch to that widget and control those devices. Along with all the extra features, you also get the June security update, which has about 30 or more vulnerabilities that have been patched, so that will make sure that your phone is secure and you do not need to worry about those vulnerabilities. So make sure, if you do not already know how to download the update, you're simply going to go into your phone. We're just going to swipe down all the way, and you're going to go ahead and hit that little gear icon. You're going to swipe down to System, and then we're going to select System Update or Software Updates. And then you'll just simply go ahead and press that Software Update, and if it does not automatically show up, make sure to press that little button down here at the bottom. That will go out and search, and if it's available, as you can see, it's not available on mine just yet, you'll be able to download that June feature drop. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the new features coming to the Pixel phones. What Pixel are you using? And what is your #1 feature that you've been waiting for? Personally, I am super excited about having the display out available now on the Pixel phones, which we've been waiting for a long time. As always, appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and click that little bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. We'll catch you in the next one.